Wala akong hangarin except my country. And I pray to God na hindi ako sinasabing bumoto kayo sa akin. I pray to God that the nation will be enlightened by His grace and you can choose the leader. Bahala kayo kung sino. The one who can make it happen. If yung dito sa mga tabi ko, they're all worthy. And they can make it happen, I suppose. Pero ako, pag sinabi ko, ang mga Dabawenyo sanay nito, pag sinabi kong huminto ka dyan, pag sinabi ko siya, gagawin ko dyan, ginagawa ko talaga. Even at the expense of sometimes. Well, it could be at the expense of honor, or the prestige, or the presidency. Wala akong pakialam. Basta ako may trabaho at gagawin ko. Yang tanim ng bala, hintuan talaga nyo yan. Unless you are ready to swallow the bullet. And I will make you do it. Kung hindi nyo alam yan, pumunta kayo ng Davao.